Hi guys, it's Ray. So I'm going to do a real quick Miniverse Make It Mini Lifestyles Series 1. I bought 2 of these, so I did one for one channel and one for the other channel. But I think there's like 18 total you can get in these. The last one popped open as soon as I pulled this wrapper off, so I'm going to try not to do that this time. But my Walmart, just finally started getting these in. So I couldn't resist. These ones are a little bit pricier for flying balls. But I haven't really bought myself anything in a while. And I've been, these and the Zuru books, the mini brands books are like the 2 things that I've been really keeping my eyes out for. I haven't been terribly interested in like the Miniverse food kits or any of that, although some of the Christmas holiday ones were super cute. But these ones I've been really keeping my eye out for. So it opens up. There's a ton of paperwork with these. And the center part is actually a little shelf. And I am excited to see blue packaging because my other one was a plant. And the blue packaging is going to indicate that this one is going to be something else, and hopefully one of the aquatic ones, but we'll see in a second here because there are some super cute ones. But yeah, that just assembles to make a little stand. So this one came with a little pair of tweezers for my tool. And I don't think I mentioned it. These are UV resin projects. But this one says it is water. So this is going to be the UV resin in this batch. And then I have a little container. So fish bowl of some sorts. I love the care and detail that went into the packaging of these, because these are like little newsletter prints. If you could read that, you could fully read this. I would need a magnifying glass to read the fine prints. I think I'll go with this one. I have no idea which one this is. I'm so excited. Oh, this is the pet. Oh, it's a little pink beta. Can you see it? How stinking adorable. So this is going to be my fish that goes in my fish bowl. I watch a girl on TikTok that sells betas and occasionally axolotls. And betas are absolutely beautiful, but I don't have the desire or care to take care of anything else. So my little pink beta gets a little pink rocks for the bottom of her tank, and she gets a little Aqua Sun Co. faux plant for her tank. So we're gonna switch around and we're gonna get this little doodad put together. How cute. I may not switch you around. I may actually just bring you down a little bit and raise you up on something so you can actually see into what I'm doing, because I think face down it's going to be weird. Okay, so I'm finally going to put together my beta tank, Miniverse, Make It Lifestyle, whatever we call it. So the directions on these are very basic, let's say. As in, there really are none. They're all on the same card. So you have to find the right one. That is the entire instruction card for this one. And I just kind of learned that the plants don't even get UV resin. So step one says these directions. I love it. You start with your gravel though. And there's going to be more gravel than is necessary, most likely. So, I can't figure out, I'm filming at a very weird angle, and I can't figure out where I need to be. I should have kept out the trowel from my plant one that I did. Probably should be wearing a glove. And I'm definitely not going to need the entire base of gravel. And at some point in here it shows you sitting your fish on there. The fish is so cute. And it shows you putting the plant in there. The packaging on this is outstanding. I'm trying to get the little plant open. There we go. Because I want to see how tall it is in the container. Because I do want it to kind of fit in the container. So I'm going to dig this down into the gravel a little bit. These tweezers are flimsy. And I think we're just going to sit our little fishy in at this point. Oh, some real tweezers would be grand. But I am trying to work with just what they include. Hopefully we'll be able to see my little fish when I'm done. Alright, so then you open your UV resin. I think I'm going to pour this in 2 stages because it's got a line on the directions that show like a second stage. So, I'm assuming that's the purpose, is half and half. I don't know where to put that. it's cold in my room, so this is probably going to be slow. I'll leave it upside down there. Plant's a little tilted, but you know what? And we do have a pretty good air bubble back here. A couple bubbles up here. Okay. So I'm going to put this under the UV lamp for a couple minutes, like that. So if you don't have a UV light, you can pick up a UV flashlight, fairly inexpensive at Harbor Freight, Walmart, wherever. But if you don't happen to have one, you can use sunlight. It's just going to take longer than using an actual UV light. I mean, this is already hardened up to not flowing. So we're going to come in and use whatever's left of our resin to build another layer. I have some deep bubbles. Oh, that might be in the first layer. I'm not going to worry about it. So I'm going to put this back under the lamp for a couple minutes. This is cured enough. Yeah, that was just a mess on my part. But again, it's just a little fish tank. Can you see the little fishy in there? And if you wanted to put it on their provided shelf, you can. I'm not going to leave these on these shelves probably, but that is how they look. And one of the aquarium pieces and one of the plant pieces. I'm definitely going to look for some more of these. I do think they're kind of fun. So, yeah, well, that is it. And I will see you in the next one.